Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be downloading Warframe. So let's just go into Nintendo eShop. For Nintendo eShop, just join in. Now, no matter if you guys have Nintendo Switch 2, which is I'm showing you right now, or the one or OLED, it's gonna be the exact same instructions, by the way. Just going to search, from search, just type in Warframe. As soon as you guys start typing in W, it's gonna give you that option. Search, and then you should see it here. So instead of purchased, you should see download for you. Because I purchased this before, which means I downloaded it before. That's why I see it like that. So just go ahead and tap on virtual game cards. For you guys, it should say download. Tap on it, tap on OK. And here we go. We're gonna load to this console. It's gonna give us this little thing and it's gonna start downloading. There we go. So if you guys want this to go really fast, the download process, what you should do is just put your Nintendo Switch on the dock and make sure to connect your dock using an Ethernet cable directly to your router. That's going to be the fastest way to download any game or even game online. It's going to be fastest. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.